Anytime he's in a jam, she'll be by his side. But he doesn't realize he hurts her so much. But all the praying just ain't helping at all. He can't seem to keep himself out of trouble. So he goes out and he makes his money the best way he knows how. Another body lying cold in a gutter. Listen to me, don't go chasing waterfalls. You stick to the rivers and the lakes that you used to. I know that you're gonna have it your way or nothing at all, but I think you're moving too fast. Little Precious has a natural obsession for temptation, but he just can't see. She gives him loving that his body can handle, but all he can say is, baby, it's good to me, good to me. Good in the mirror, but he doesn't recognize his own face. His health is fading and he doesn't know why. 3 letters took him to his final resting place. You don't hear me? What? Don't go chasing waterfalls. Please stick to the rivers and the lakes that you used to. I know that you're gonna have it your way or nothing at all, but I think you're moving too fast. I see a rainbow yesterday, but too many storms have come and gone, leaving a trace of not good God-given rain. Is it because my life is 10 shades of gray? I pray all 10 fade away. Seldom praise him for sunny days. And like his promise is true, only my faith can undo the many chances I blew to bring my life anew. Clear blue and unconditional skies have dried the tears from my eyes. No more lonely cries, enduring pain that's keeping pouring rain. Who's to blame? It's a shame. You can shoot and aim for someone else's brain? You claim the insane and name the day and time. You fall and pray to crime. I say the system got you victim to your own mind. Dreams are hopeless aspirations and hopes of coming true. Believe in yourself. The rest is up to me and you. 2, 3, 4. Don't go chasing waterfalls. Please stick to the rivers and the lakes that you used to. I know that you're gonna have it your way or nothing at all, but I think you're moving too fast. Too fast. Don't go chasing waterfalls. Please stick to the rivers and the lakes that you used to. I know that you're gonna